Welcome back. I'm Brooklyn Maple with Kentucky Legend. Now it's time to focus on everyone's favorite side dish, the dressing. And today we are going to be making it with our amazing turkey and also in a crock pot, so it couldn't be any simpler. We currently have 1 cup of melted butter. We are going to add in 2 cups of onions, followed by 2 cups of celery. We can't forget our salt and pepper. A half a teaspoon of each, followed by 2 teaspoons of poultry seasoning. We are going to mix this up, and once it gets nice and cooked and everything's tender, we're going to set it to the side and let it cool off for a moment. Now that this is cooled, I'm going to add it to 6 cups of wheat bread as well as 6 cups of white bread. Now it's time for 1/4 cup of parsley. We have a tablespoon of rosemary, a tablespoon of thyme, and a tablespoon of sage. We are also going to mix that well with 1½ cups of Kentucky Legend oven roasted turkey. We are now going to add in our chicken broth. We're using 1½ cups, but make sure you're just going to do a nice coating of it and you just want it to be damp. Don't over pour. Now that everything is well combined, we are going to add this into the crock pot. Keep in mind it does need to be greased. From there, we're going to put it on high for 30 minutes and then crank it down to low for roughly 3 hours. Wow, this came out fantastic. Now make sure you stay tuned as we show you how to make the perfect glaze for your Kentucky Legend ham.
These recipes and more available at KentuckyLegend.com/recipes.